Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube tutorial channel. Today I will be discussing about how to turn on or turn off Windows Smart Screen in our computer. We know Windows Smart Screen is capable of protecting our system from all these softwares that contain malwares that are capable of bringing damage to our system. So let's try and see how we can do it. Click on Windows Sign Here and you click on Control Panel. You click on Control Panel. You click again on System Screen, then Security and Maintenance. Then you click on Security. Then you go down. And the last one, this is Windows Smart Screen. Windows Smart Screen is helping to protect your PC from unorganized apps and files downloaded from the internet. So click on the link A, change settings, click yes, click yes. So this is the recommended position where Windows recommends you to be always. So get administrator approval before running an unorganized app from the internet. The second one is let Windows be sending you notification before you install any software that they detect that it contains malicious ware. And the last one is when you want to turn it off, and it's not recommended actually. So Windows recommend the first one. Whenever you are installing a software, let you have the administrative approval. Thank you very much for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and also if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any suggestions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much.